Hi, I'm Dustin from 1 Hour Air of Prescott. If you're outside, you might want to take a look at your condenser and check out the concrete pad. Sometimes the pad will start to sink underneath the condenser, causing a few problems to arise. First, it can put strain on the lines running to your house, leading to some major issues. Additionally, when the compressor is not level, the oil it needs to run won't be distributed evenly. Inspect the pad for pooling water, tight lines running to the house, and overall placement. Get support with your unit and pad from 1 Hour Air of Prescott.